Ever wondered how potent a single drop of nicotine can be? In our daily lives, nicotine is a familiar term. It's a common ingredient in cigarettes and more recently in the ever-growing realm of vaping. It's often associated with relaxation, stress relief, and sadly, addiction. Yet it's so widely accepted and used that it's almost easy to forget the power behind this simple compound. But here's a fact that might make you rethink your perception of nicotine. A single drop has the potential to kill a horse. Yes, you heard that right. That tiny droplet, barely noticeable to the naked eye, can indeed cause the demise of a creature as robust and strong as a horse. It's a shocking revelation, isn't it? It certainly makes us question our understanding and acceptance of nicotine. But how can something so small be so deadly? Let's dive into the science behind it. Nicotine is more than just an addictive substance found in cigarettes. It's a potent chemical with a complex structure, having a profound impact on our bodies. Let's delve into the science behind it. Nicotine is a nitrogen-containing chemical, an alkaloid to be exact. This means it's part of a group of chemicals that are naturally produced by plants as a defense against insects. In its pure form, nicotine is a clear liquid that turns brown and smells like tobacco when exposed to air. But how does it affect us, you ask? Once inhaled, nicotine enters the bloodstream and quickly travels to the brain. Here's where it gets interesting. It mimics a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine, which is involved in many functions including muscle movement, breathing, heart rate, learning, and memory. However, nicotine, being an imposter, overstimulates the nervous system, causing a rush of adrenaline. This surge in adrenaline is what gives smokers a quick jolt of energy, but also increases heart rate and blood pressure, leading to potential health problems down the line. Now let's talk about our equine friends. As it turns out, a drop of nicotine, which is about 50 milligrams, can be lethal to a horse. You see, horses, like humans, have many acetylcholine receptors in their nervous system and heart. The nicotine binds to these receptors, causing an overload of stimulation. This can lead to a rapid and irregular heartbeat, which can be fatal. Moreover, the size of the horse doesn't matter. Nicotine's effect on the horse's nervous system is so intense that it can trigger cardiac arrest, regardless of the horse's size or strength. It's a sobering example of how a small amount of a substance can have such a devastating effect. Now that we understand the deadly power of nicotine, let's summarize the key points. So, a single drop of nicotine can indeed be lethal to a horse, but why should we care? Let's take a step back and review what we've learned. We've explored the power of nicotine, a potent neurotoxin that, in large enough amounts, can have a fatal effect even on a creature as large as a horse. We've dived into the science behind this substance, understanding its effects on the nervous system and the body as a whole. But this isn't just about horses, or even about nicotine alone. This is about us, about our health and the choices we make every day. For those who use nicotine products, understanding the potency of this substance is crucial. It's about realizing the broader implications of our choices on our health and the health of our society. The takeaway here is not fear, but awareness. Because with awareness comes the power to make informed decisions, to choose health over habit. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding the effects of nicotine can help us make healthier choices. So, what can we do with this information? Well, the first step is to share. Share this knowledge with your family, your friends, and your community. Knowledge is power, and by spreading the word about the deadly impact of nicotine, we can work together to promote healthier lifestyles. If you or someone you know wants to quit nicotine, know that there are numerous resources available. There are hotlines, support groups, and treatment options that can help. Don't be afraid to reach out. You're not alone in this journey. And finally, let's emphasize the importance of making informed decisions about our health. We must educate ourselves about the substances we put into our bodies. We must understand the potential risks and consequences. We must choose health over habit. Together, we can spread the word and help others make healthier choices. Stay informed, stay healthy.